Hi everyone! Today, let's find out how many unique arrangements or distinguishable permutations can be formed from the letters of the word connect. Since some letters repeat, not all arrangements are different. So let's start. So let's solve it step by step. First, let's count the letters in the word connect. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So there are 7 letters in total for the step number 1. And for the step number 2, let's identify repeated letters. In the word connect, our repeated letters are C and N. We have C, 1 and 2. So C appears 2 times, while N we have 1 and 2. The letter N appears 2 times, while O, E, T appear 1 time each. And for the step number 3, we're going to use the formula for distinguishable permutations. And our formula is the N factorial divided by the P factorial times Q factorial times R factorial, where N factorial is the factorial of total letters, and P factorial, Q factorial, R factorial of each repeated letter counts. Now, let's write the given. So, we have N. N is 7. We're going to count the letters of the word connect. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And this is our N. Next, the repeated letters are C and N. So C, we have 1 and 2. Next, N is 1 and 2. Okay? Again, our repeated letters C repeat 2 times and repeat 2 times. And for the step number 4, let's substitute the values. The value of N is 7. Therefore, we have 7 factorial. While P, Q, R change with the repeated letters, we have C and N. So C repeat 2 times and repeat 2 times. Therefore, we have C factorial times N factorial. So we have 7 factorial over C factorial is 2. So we have 2 factorial, and N is also 2. So we have 2 factorial. So now we have 7 factorial over 2 factorial times 2 factorial. And for this step number 5, let's compute. So 7 factorial is equal to 7 times 6 times 5 times 4 times 3 times 2 times 1. While 2 factorial is 2 times 1. 2 factorial is 2 times 1. Okay, now let's multiply. 7 times 6 times 5 times 4 times 3 times 2 times 1 is 5,040. While 2 times 1 times 2 times 1 equals 4. So 5,040 divided by 4 equals 1,260. So therefore, for the final answer, 1,260 distinguishable permutations. And that's all for now, and thank you for watching. So please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.